In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Hostinger email account. This process is quick and straightforward, perfect for anyone new to Hostinger or simply needing a little refresher. Let's dive right in and get you comfortably browsing through your email in no time. To begin, open up your preferred web browser. Whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge, all will do the job efficiently. Just go with the one you're most familiar with. Now, in the address bar at the top, type in mail.hostinger.com and hit Enter. You'll then be directed to the Hostinger email login page. This is where you can securely enter your email credentials. Once you're on the login page, you'll notice two fields waiting for your input: your email address and your password. Let's start with your email address. It's important that you enter your full email address, which includes the part after the @ symbol, often your domain name. For example, if your email is john.smith@example.com, ensure you type the entire address just like that. Accuracy is key here, as even a small mistake can cause login issues, so take your time to double-check it. Next up, it's time to enter your password. This is the password you set up when you created your email account through Hostinger. It's crucial to be cautious here, as passwords are case-sensitive, meaning uppercase and lowercase letters must be entered exactly as they were originally set. If your password includes numbers or special characters, make sure those are entered correctly as well. If you find your password slipping your mind easily, it might be helpful to use a password manager for safekeeping and quick access. Once both fields are filled, all you need to do is click the Login button. This is usually found right below the fields where you entered your email and password. After clicking this button, you should be directed straight to your inbox, where you will have access to all your emails. If everything has been entered correctly, your inbox should load swiftly, offering you a view of all your current messages, folders, and everything else you might need. In case you encounter any issues during login, double-check both your email and your password for errors. A straightforward typo can easily be the culprit. Also, ensure your internet connection is stable and functioning, as a drop in connectivity can cause problems reaching the server. And there you have it. You're now successfully logged into your Hostinger email. Whether you're checking messages, sending emails, or organizing your inbox, you can now confidently maneuver through your account. If you found this walkthrough helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your day.